What's up, guys? True Power back to show you another video, a small video. This video is about a 2019 Charger, Dart Charger. I'm going to change the window switch, and I bought it on eBay. It just came today. Now, Dart Charger, this one, the driver and the passenger are not working. They broke. And this is on eBay, says from I think 10 to 17, but let's see if it works for 19, because this charger is a 19. So hold on. I got this tool. Hopefully I can pry it off and put it in this charger. Ooh, 5-volt Coyote. Mustang 5-volt and the 2019 Dart Charger. Check it out, guys. Now, this is the one that's broken. So I'm gonna see if I can pry it out. Ooh, pretty easy. Let's check out if the connectors are the same. It looks the same. So yes, I think it's gonna work. So on eBay it says from 2010 to 2017, or that it only that fits from 2010 to 2018, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna fit my 2019. Hold on, guys, I can't do it with, let me see if I can put this one here somewhere. Right there, I guess. There we go. Let's put it back. Brand new. This is the old one. No good, no see there. Dodge crap. Brand new eBay one. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. Woo! Check it out. Woo! We got power. We got power. True Power. Just so you know, that piece was from a 2010 to 2017, if I'm not mistaken, or 2018. But it does fit a 2019 Dart Charger. Just in case if it's not working your Windows, go ahead and buy it. I recommend. It works. Until next time. Say de la Cruz, True Power.